not exactly.
I'm taking a video.
Okay, do it.
Ooh.
I'll take a video of you putting on lip gloss.
Yeah, do it. Okay, start.
No, I'm filming right now.
Start putting it on. Turn it on again.
Tastes good.
Wait
Wait until I get it done.
until...
Tastes better after it's on than someone's lips.
Have you ever kissed a girl with lip gloss on? So you have to find a girl that wears lip gloss. Then you start licking her lips. Oh my god, that'd be weird.
Be like, what are you doing? I'm licking your lip gloss off. What? Like, can
Are
I
we
have
both
some?
in it or just him?
Yeah, I put you in it.
Okay.
Mm.
That sounds so wrong. You touched his winky dink.
I touched something that was on his winky dink.
Oh God.
She wishes it was lower.
No.
Mhm.
Wait, give him the stuff that burns.
Ooh.
Try the blue.
Oh my God, your lips are like so.
No, lick it first. Lick it.
Just don't eat that one, please. That I want like some
one?
good lip gloss. Yes.
The
I just
burning.
put a
Oh,
price on
this
you.
stuff tastes really good.
Wait, no,
I
but
used to
lick
wear
the blue
this
one.
all the time.
Squeeze some of the blue one on your tongue.
It burns. Here, try this one. This one tastes really, really good.
Oh my god.
Are your lips burning yet? No? That one tastes good.
So does this one.
Oh, are you serious?
Yeah, I'm
That
serious.
one burns.
Taste.
Let me see.
Not that one. That one.
It tastes like that toothbrush they have in a little cup at the dentist.
Oh, dude, I love that.
Dude, it's gross. Wow. I hope you don't want that back.
I'm not wearing lip gloss anymore.
Yeah, I guess if I blame a girlfriend that wears lip gloss.
Sexy.
We all know that Blaine likes lip gloss.